Second grade, today we are going to write equations using repeated addition to find the total number of objects in an array. Okay, it says use counters to model a problem and then draw a picture of your model. We're going to draw counters if that's what we're going to do, okay? Here is our story. Word problem, thank you. Clayton has 3 rows of trading cards. What do you think you need to do to draw a picture? Think about it. Clayton has 3 rows of trading cards. There are 5 cards in each row. How many trading cards does Clayton have? So what was the first thing you thought you should do, guys?
Put 3 lines.
3 lines for the 3 rows, right? Then what did you do? 3 circles in each row for the what?
4, 5.
3 circles?
5.
5 circles. Why 5 circles?
The story said 5.
Said 5 cards in each row. Rows. Okay, then the question is, how many cards does he have? What are we going to be counting by, boys and girls?
5.
Okay, some of you on your math yesterday were not getting this right because you were not choosing to write your numbers on the side or not counting right. 5. So we're counting by 5, so it should be easier. 5, 15 cards. 15 cards. So that's what we did yesterday. Today, boys and girls, we are going to write these same kind of problems like this, but with addition problems. Okay? So come over here. You can use addition to find total amounts when you have equal groups. Okay, so when you turn your paper over, guys, how many rows are there in that, for those blue squares? How many rows? 3. How many squares are in each row? Everyone?
4.
Okay, so look, guys, there are 1, 2, 3 addition things. Okay? You are adding 4. This is like, we're us going down 4 each time. 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay? That's like telling how many are in each row. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. If you don't know, on the picture you can always do this and do 4 on the first row. 4 more would be 8. And 4 more than that would be
12.
12. So there are 12 in all. Okay, so what we're going to do today, boys and girls, on Share and Show, you're finding the number of shapes in each row, then completing the addition sentence to find the total. Okay, so first of all, this says on the red circles, there are 3 rows of how many? Count them. 3 rows of how many? Don't say it out loud. 3 rows of how many? Everybody?
5.
Okay, 3 rows of 5. So then we have how many blanks there, boys and girls, on the addition? How many blanks on the with the plus sign? 3. So what are we going to put in each of the blanks? 5. No. Yeah, 5, 5, and 5. Okay, 5, 5, and 5. So 3 5s is how much? We just did this on the problem in the front. Everyone?
15.
Okay. Number 2, this says 4 you don't know how to count by fours, that's fine. Let's do it right here. 4. 4 more is 8. 4 more than that is
12.
Okay, now 4 more than that. Now, guys, if you don't know this, this is what you do. Look, the last one was 12, right? 13, 14, 15, 16. So 4 more, 16. Write this down. Why are you sitting there? Okay, and what's the answer? 4 fours is
16.
16. Okay, do number 3 on your own.
I'm already starting.
Okay, you guys are going to do on your own by yourselves. And then you are going to do number 9 by yourself. Read the problem. Do what it says. Draw a picture. Listen. Draw a picture to help you find out the answer. Okay? Now, we will do number 11. Okay. It says, yes, you're going to do the rest on your own. So turn the paper over so you're on a hot problem. There are 6 photos on the wall.
There are 2 photos in each row. How many rows of photos are there?
Okay, so let's start making photos. Okay, it says 2 photos in each row. So on the first row, we're going to draw 2. Okay? Second row, we're going to draw 2. How many is that so far?
4.
Okay, we need to get to how many?
6.
Okay, so we have to draw another row of 2. Right? So how many rows is there?
6.
Okay. That wasn't very hard.
That